We are going golfing.
January 2024. Easy weekend mornings. Today it rained, so we headed to Monterey Park where they have coverage for their driving range. I absolutely love how their balls come up automatically. It's cute that it has a counter, so it knows exactly how many you have left. We also stopped by a local bakery. The coffee was great, but the cinnamon roll, I would not recommend it.
Did you see that?
I am a Bucks fan. My Laker fan.
Today is our 7-year anniversary. It's actually pretty good. The banana bread, 10 out of 10. There was this lady that came out with a whole loaf and I was like, we need to get that. So we did. I don't regret it.